Okay, it's Valentine's Day today, right? So, this is the thing. Don't you hoover the narcissist today. Hoover means contact, basically. So don't hoover them. How long ago did you meet this person? 5, 10, 15 years ago? You're still not a married man or woman. You're really not getting any fantastic, godly life out of this. So you also know that they have other people now since you've been separated or in no contact. So why would you, as an empathic person, hoover somebody that got other people anyway that they're sleeping with? Have some self-dignity for yourself today. Take yourself out, okay? Thank you.